When searching for a daily floor cleaner that is user-friendly, labor-saving, neutral, effective, and handle all types of soiling conditions in commercial facilities, while leaving your area smelling pleasantly fresh, look no further than Image Deodorizing Neutral Floor Cleaner. Image is low foaming and able to be used with manual mopping or an automatic scrubber and does not require rinsing. That saves on labor, and the highly concentrated formula also adds to overall budget savings. The mixed detergent system works well on all soiling conditions, and the chelating agents provide the ultimate in cleaning power, even in hard water environments. Following use, your facility will be filled with a fresh, clean, pure fragrance, increasing acceptance from staff and visitors alike.